Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial series on building full stack applications with ASP.NET Core Web APIs, SQL databases and Angular. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to create a powerful data-driven application from scratch. We will start by setting up a robust backend with ASP.NET Core, where you will learn how to build RESTful APIs to manage data, perform CRUD operations, and connect to a SQL database. Next, we will move to the front end using Angular to create a clean, dynamic user interface that interacts with our backend services. You will discover how to make HTTP requests to your API, display data in Angular components, and handle user inputs with forms and validations. So we will use reactive form for this. ASP.NET Core is free cross-platform and open source framework for building web apps and services with C#. And Angular is a very powerful framework to build interactive user interfaces or UIs. It's built by Google and they have very great community behind it. And it's very, very powerful if you were to build complex user interfaces. We're going to use ASP.NET Core and Angular to build a CRM application, which is a small CRM that connects to a SQL database to handle user data or company's data. And in the backend, we'll have this small database that we're going to build together in one of the episodes. So the database contains company, address, contact, and some relationship between them. Then we're going to build this application, which is an interactive app. So you can create new company, you can edit an existing company, you can see the details of a company, and you have this interactive menu that can collapse and open. So it's a full CRUD operation application that uses this ASP.NET Core API to interact with this database. Feel free to download the source code of this application from this location. I will put it in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notification when we upload new content, and comment in the comment section below if you have any question or any suggestion for future work. Thank you so much.